Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Tomi. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, all the links are going to be down below in the description. So if you can decide that you want to research this project yourself, you can do so. And of course, Tomi is an incredible project that we need in the world today. So basically, their mission is to build a Web3 decentralized network that is governed by the people, made for the people. And this is a very exciting project. So, as we all know, there are a lot of countries that are blocking a lot of contents, applications, a lot of data, and citizens basically don't have access to all that information just because they live in a certain country. And Tomi is coming in and trying to save the day and trying to build a network where you are actually able to access all of that regardless of your location. So we're at Tomi.com, great website, alternative internet controlled by the community, designed to promote free world. So they do have their Tomi token as well. They are available on a few exchanges already. If we take a look at the CoinMarketCap page, the price is $1.31. The market cap is $52 million with a $39.6 million or million tokens in circulation, and the total supply sitting at 98.1 million tokens. As you can see, the price is in a flat since March of this year. Well, since the start of the month, actually, we've been in this flat. And as you can see, if we scroll all the way down to the markets, we have Huobi, we have Gate.io, and we have the MEXC exchange. So these are some of the exchanges where you can get the tokens right now. I don't think they have any decentralized exchange listings yet, but having three of the major centralized exchanges is already a big step forward. So scrolling down through their website. So as you can see, Web3 computers, decentralized cloud, TDNS, browser, DAO, NFTs, and multi-chain wallet. These are all the features that are going to be available in their ecosystem. Tomi MP1 Cloud Computer, a Web3 server that generates massive computing power, complex simulations, photorealistic rendering, real-time ray tracing, acceleration, AI augmented applications, VR applications, and blockchain GPU mining. Now, also it's worth mentioning that they are getting a $40 million funding round, and a new product that they're currently working on is a privacy layer and a stablecoin, which both are going to be revolutionary projects and products. And yeah, it's really exciting what they're working on. And obviously, the team is anonymous because this is something that is challenging in a way governments themselves. So staying anonymous is part of the mission. So Tomi domain naming system, controlled only by Tomi's pioneers community through a DAO, making it censorship resistant to allow free speech. So free speech is one of the most important things we can have on the internet, and in today's day and age, it is literally impossible for that to happen. So that is why we need applications like Tomi or internets like Tomi. So browse the World Wide Web and the Tomi in a secured and anonymous powerful browser. The Tomi Pay is a multi-chain digital wallet for tokens, NFTs, and decentralized applications. So Tomi Pay is going to be their application. And pioneers are Tomi's governance community. And you can learn more about that here as well. So here are some of the frequently asked questions. For example, what is a Tomi MP1? Tomi's MP1 is a Web3 interconnected machine that can perform a variety of services not limited to mining of cryptocurrencies, decentralized applications, 3D printing, rendering, AI, ray tracing, and more. Can I invest in the Tomi coin? No, Tomi is a private company. Or sorry, can I invest in Tomi, not the Tomi coin? No, Tomi is a private company whose operations are financed strictly with private funds. No purchase of Tomi's products, including Pioneer memberships, Tomi tokens, or mining companies, should be viewed as an investment in the company itself or in its equity. We currently do not accept equity investments. So what is Tomi's roadmap? This is something that we can take a look at. And as you can see, they have their roadmap laid out until the end of this year. So they do have launch of the MP2 nodes coming up. They do have the introduction of the Tomi NFTs, Tomi Bridge, the Tomi domain naming service, which is the TDNS we spoke about earlier. And yeah, this is really interesting. Listing of the Tomi governance token in centralized exchanges. They've already been working on that. So it's a really exciting project. Obviously, there's a lot to learn and a lot to dive deep into. So they do have actually Forbes talking about them. As you can see, there is an article about them. So they talk about how they're trying to solve the uh, censorship issues on the internet. So the link to that is going to be down below in the description. And also Cointelegraph has an article about this as well. Now, some of their partners are Intel, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Filecoin, Purebase, Flux, Reblond. What else do we have here? From those that I know, Polygon and Chainlink, of course, and Certic. They've been audited, obviously. And if we jump into their white paper here, as you can see, they have a pretty interesting white paper that details everything about the project, everything you know regarding the tokenomics and such things. So the Tomi network includes a fungible native Tomi token and a set of non-fungible Pioneer NFTs. The Tomi tokens are the native utility and transaction tokens, and the Pioneer NFTs are membership tokens representing the status of the holders as the initial pioneers who have made the commitment to fund and support Tomi in its final initial stages. And as you can see, they do have their distribution here. So DAO voting power and delegation, disbursements of the development, and you have payments for domain purchases, payments for products and services, payments for fees, and stuff like that. So you can read all about that here. Here's the Tomi token distribution as well. So it's really interesting. They've laid out everything. And we can also jump into their Twitter page and see that we do have people like Leia talking about the project, which is very exciting. They have 153.7 thousand followers, which is incredible, and they are pretty active on social media as well. And here is their blog as well, where you can read the latest updates and articles from the project. So that's also something that you want to keep an eye on just to stay up to date with everything. And that is pretty much everything. Down below here, you have their Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, Discord, Medium, and all that linked. And that's pretty much everything. Thank you very much for watching this video. I know you might have more questions, so feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in the next update.